Itel 16 plus not turning on and not charging. Let's see what caused it not to charge. It's from a client. Here I'm trying to power it on. It's not turning on. A client came with this phone. So let's remove the pouch. This is Itel. Right, I'm trying once again. No power, not turning on. Now let's open the back cover of this phone to see. Yes, the battery is in there. Removed the battery. Now let's try again to turn it on. It's not responding. Black screen. What we are going to do now, we are going to take our multimeter, put it to VDC. After we do this, we turn on our multimeter. We take the battery. Let's test it. We are going to test the battery first. Right, it's 2.8. 2.8 is not enough. The battery doesn't have enough power to put up the phone. So let's return it back into the phone. Then I've got this charger. We are going to plug it on charge. So to try to charge the phone. If the phone is charging, we will see it by turning on. Right, let's connect the phone on charge. We are going to wait for some minutes to see if the phone can boot up. Right, nothing. It's not charging. The phone is not showing any sign of charging. Right, let's take off the battery. We want to test our battery terminals. So we are going to take our Red Pro and Black Pro. Then we test. Well, we connected the charger. It's 0.52, 43, 45, 43, somewhere there. So that means it have clearly tell us that the phone is not charging. That's why the phone is not turning on. Right. So we are going to remove the charger from the phone, and we are to replace or remove the charging port, or replace the charging port with a new port. So let's remove the screws. Look, we are taking all the screws from the phone. Let's wait until we've finished all the screws. This is how we work on this phone, which are not turning on and which are not charging. What you need to do is to check. First, you test the battery. Does it have power? Secondly, if it doesn't have power, you then have to boost it. You need a charger that boosts the battery if the phone is not charging. Or you first charge the phone or charge the battery using the phone. But if the phone is not charging and the battery doesn't have power, that means you have to look for a charger that can charge your battery, or to put it in another phone. Now we are opening the back cover of this phone. Right, it's easy to open these back covers of these phones. If you are more experienced, you may not take more time to open the back covers. Now here we've removed the back cover and we are taking all the belts away from the engine. These are some of the stages which you have to follow. So if you stop playing the video, you miss a lot. Maybe you gain 1 or 2 points, 1 or 2 advice from the video. You may get knowledge on how to open each and every phone. See what I've done so far. I've managed to remove the engine from the board. Right, this is Itel A16 Plus. It's tricky if you do not look closely or check nicely in this video. There are 2 things which you can damage. Either you can damage the belt that connects the touch to the engine and the volume button, the power plus volume or negative button. See how I do to not damage these 2 parts. Right, the engine, we've managed to take it away. Now we are here to remove or to replace this. But if you look closely, this charging port, they've got dust covered, which covered it inside and outside. Right, here we are about to remove the charging port. Take a look. You put your paste and hit the charging port as shown in the video. Now it's off. What we are going to do now, we need to replace with a new port. Right, this is how we do. Right, now we are about to take a look how we are doing that. You need tools to use when working on some other components. Special tools to work on components like charging ports, ICs. You need a hot air. Now we have finished replacing the charging port. We are connecting the charger. Do not forget to like and comment before we return the engine back to its covers. You will also test the voltage. If the charger is charging, yes, I'm seeing 4.1. That means the phone is charging now. So we are returning the engine back to its covers. Right, look how we return. We do it nicely. Right, the back cover we are taking back, putting it back. Right, now since our battery is 2.8 and our phone is now charging, we are closing it. We put the battery back. Before we put the back cover, we are going to connect the charger. So let's wait and see if it can start charging. Remember, it's below 3.7, so it will take some seconds to start showing because the charger is just started boosting up. Yes, it's showing. The LCD, the phone is booting up now. See, it's showing 0%. Thank you, viewers. If this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, I have many videos of this type which are in my video. They are on different phones. It shows each and every phone on how to remove either to remove or to replace a charging port or earpiece, and so on and so on. So thank you, viewers. Keep on subscribing and support my channel for me to keep on growing. I thank you.